and we'll see it when we will do our. This is just to scare you. Notification of SEM. Okay, we don't use it this much today, but if you look, this was given when mostly people who work. The first major software that came out for SEM was LISREL. Okay, and a lot of people also call this as LISREL notation. Okay, loadings of y are given as lambdas, loadings of x are given as lambda x's. Then these are the independent. This is called, the variances are called as phi. Okay, these are structural error terms. These are error terms anyways. These are the variances of error terms. This is the error variance of the independent observed. Then these are again the variances of error terms. This is also variance. This is the variance of structural error. This is structural error. These are loadings. These are path coefficients, betas. Okay, and yeah, this is also structural error. These are observed items. These are also observed. These are all loadings. This is also loading. This is the path coefficient beta, path coefficient, and yeah, this is also path coefficient. Okay. Yeah. So just nomenclature. This is covariance. Covariance. Okay. Okay, so we'll stop here and I will look at if there are any